Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today I'm going to explain about choosing higher studies, or we can choose a job, or we can start a company or a consultancy. So one of my students visited me today and he asked me that, "Sir, I'm confused that should I go for the higher studies, or should I go for a job, or we start a company?" And there are lots of students, they are confused and unable to decide. We are in the final year, what should we do? So first of all, if you are having serious financial issues, then I would strongly suggest you should focus on job skills. For example, learning softwares. You can also learn designing. You can join a company where you can design structures. You can also contribute if you know how to perform lab and field testing, where you can join and you can support your family. Now, in that way, you are able to support yourself and your family as well. Now, once you think that things are under control, then you can start thinking about higher studies. Now, the option 2 would be starting a job plus higher studies from Pakistan. So you are also earning, you are supporting your family, but you are also doing higher studies. Then you can think about studying abroad. Now, why I'm saying that you should follow such pattern, because English language test is expensive and GRE test is also expensive. So during studies, it's difficult to save lots of money so that you can support yourself and your family. Even if you can support yourself, that should be fine during higher studies if you are studying abroad. Now, you start earning after a few years, even if you complete higher studies. Therefore, that decision is absolutely crucial. So if you can manage, then higher studies is a long-term investment. So think like that you are investing right now, but you see the benefits after a few years. And also, please be very clear in your decision of higher studies, job, or even if you are starting a company. You must remember that both the higher studies or the option for going into practical job or starting a company will require your focus, patience, persistence, hard work, and clarity in what you want to become in the future. So please kindly choose these two options, because clarity is very important if you are going for higher studies, or if you are choosing the another direction of starting a job or even starting a company. Or consultancy. So please kindly do keep all these things in your mind, because job requirements are different, higher studies requirements are different. You need to focus on your CGPA, your publications. Here the English requirements are also desirable, but once you decide that you want to go for a job or starting a company, then your requirements are totally different, where you need to focus on your software skills. You need to update yourself on that. You need to update yourself with different building codes, and so that you can learn the designing, or even if you are performing lab and field testing, there you need different types of skills where you can easily get job there, or you can start a company. But that will mainly depend upon your family financial situation. So if you can manage, then you should think about the higher studies, because that is a long-term investment. So please take a decision, think over it, discuss it with your friends and your teachers. And if you are still confused, so you can visit my office and I can guide you again on this in very good detail. So I hope it helps you in taking the decision in the right direction, and I think it's crucial for your career and for your family. So I hope that you are enjoying my videos. So please kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum and Allah Hafiz.